In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable HSTS through Cloudflare. Whether you're a website owner or someone managing multiple domains, enabling HSTS or HTTP strict transport security is an important step in strengthening the security of your site. It ensures that browsers only load your website over a secure HTTPS connection, protecting your visitors from potential attacks like protocol downgrades or cookie hijacking. So let's walk through the process together. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have HSTS enabled confidently and securely. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is where you'll access all the settings and controls for your website. Make sure you're using the correct credentials, and if possible, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security on your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains you've connected to Cloudflare. Next, select the domain you want to work with. This step is essential because all changes you make will apply specifically to the domain you choose. Take a moment here to double-check that you're working on the right one, especially if you manage multiple websites. Once you've selected your domain, look to the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a navigation pane with several options. Click on the section labeled SSL TLS. This is where you'll find all the tools and settings related to your site's security certificates. From the SSL TLS page, select Edge Certificates from the available tabs. This is the specific area where you'll manage advanced HTTPS settings, including HSTS. Now, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled HTTP Strict Transport Security HSTS. This is where you'll enable and configure the HSTS settings for your domain. Take a moment to locate it. Once you've found it, you're ready to proceed. Click the Enable HSTS button. At this point, a prompt will appear to ensure you understand what HSTS does and the potential implications of enabling it. For instance, once HSTS is active, users will only be able to access your site over HTTPS. If there are any parts of your site or subdomains that don't support HTTPS, those areas will become inaccessible. Make sure you're fully aware of these implications. In the prompt dialog, check the box that says "I understand." This confirms that you're aware of the changes you're about to make. Once you've done that, click Next to proceed. Now it's time to turn on the main Enable HSTS setting. This switch is what activates HSTS for your domain. Once it's on, you can begin customizing the specific parameters of how HSTS will function on your site. The first setting you'll need to configure is the max age header. This determines how long browsers should remember that your site must only be accessed over HTTPS. A good starting point is 6 months, but you can adjust it to 12 months or another duration that suits your needs. If all of your subdomains support HTTPS, turn on the Include Subdomains option. This ensures that HSTS applies not only to your main domain, but also to any subdomains associated with it. It's a great way to extend security across your entire domain structure. Next, consider whether you want to turn on the Preload setting. If you plan to submit your site to the HSTS Preload list, enabling this option is required. The Preload list is used by major browsers to hardcode sites that must always be accessed over HTTPS, further strengthening security. Finally, you have the option to turn on the No Sniff header setting. This adds an extra layer of protection by preventing browsers from guessing the MIM types of resources served by your site. While this step is optional, it's an excellent feature to enable for improved security. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, click Save. This will apply the changes and activate HSTS for your domain. From this point forward, your site is better protected, and you've taken an important step toward securing your visitors' experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.